Is computer science degree still worth it in 2026? As we venture into 2026, the question arises, is a computer science degree still worth pursuing? In an age where technology permeates every aspect of our lives, the demand for skilled professionals in the tech industry continues to skyrocket. This ongoing trend suggests that obtaining a degree in computer science may be one of the best investments for the future. The first compelling reason to consider a computer science degree is the breadth of career opportunities available. From software engineering to data science, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence, the career paths are diverse and abundant. With every sector increasingly reliant on technology, companies are looking for individuals who possess the skills to innovate and solve complex problems. In 2026, job openings in tech continue to surge, meaning that graduates with a strong foundation in computer science will have an edge in the ever-competitive job market. Moreover, the financial rewards associated with a computer science degree remain attractive. Graduates in the field often command higher starting salaries compared to many other disciplines. As technology advances, so do the salary prospects for skilled computer scientists. Positions that require specialized knowledge, such as machine learning engineers or cloud architects, frequently report impressive compensation packages. These economic incentives serve to reinforce the value of obtaining a degree in computer science in 2026. However, potential students should be aware that success in the tech industry does not solely hinge on formal education. Real-world experience, internships, and a strong portfolio of projects speak volumes to employers. As such, while a degree is advantageous, it should be complemented with practical skills and a willingness to learn continually. The landscape of technology is ever evolving, and continuous education through online courses, coding bootcamps, or professional certifications can bolster a graduate's marketability in the tech landscape. In conclusion, as we look ahead to 2026, a computer science degree still holds significant value. The growing demand for tech professionals, coupled with lucrative salary offerings, makes it a worthy pursuit. However, aspiring students should also focus on gaining practical experience and staying updated on industry trends to truly thrive in this dynamic field. Ultimately, investing in a degree in computer science may very well be a gateway to a successful and fulfilling career.